In the heart of the African savannah, there was a small village nestled among the acacia trees. The villagers lived in harmony with nature, and their days were filled with the sweet sounds of birds. But there was one bird that stood out from the rest. A majestic bird with black feathers and red eyes. The villagers called it the crying bird. Legend had it that the crying bird was a messenger of the gods, sent to warn the villagers of impending doom. Every time the bird cries, someone in the village would meet their demise. The villagers believed that the bird's cry was a warning, a call to prepare for the passing of a loved one. At first, the villagers thought the bird's cries were just a natural occurrence. But as time went on, they realized that the bird's cries were followed by the death of a loved one in the village. It started with small things. A goat would fall ill, a child would trip and fall, or an elderly person will pass away in their sleep. But as time went on, the bird's cries became more frequent and more intense, and the villagers began to fear for their lives. One day, the crying bird perched on the branch of a tall tree in the center of the village and let out a loud, mournful cry. The villagers knew that someone was about to meet their maker. They looked around nervously, wondering who it would be this time.